Hello, this is Quartermaster Sergeant Duxter, 7th Louisiana Pelican Regiment, and today I'm going to teach you how to disable Windows updates. Hit Windows key R, type gpedit.msc, click OK, go to Administrative Templates, Windows Components, Windows Update, Configure Automatic Updates. If it's not configured, you probably won't have to worry about it, but if it is enabled, go to this drop-down menu right here, hit Notify for download and auto install, then click Apply and then OK. Alternatively, you can go to Services, scroll all the way down, go to Windows Update. I have mine set to manual, but if you want to completely disable it, click Disabled, hit Apply, then OK. If you need any help, feel free to let me know. You ain't 7th, you ain't shit.